Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be looking at Julie's Picks. It's a fabric swatch club from Mart. This is my first box, or I guess you could say a little catalog because it comes in a catalog, and all of the swatches are stapled to the paper here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and undo those so I can kind of play around and show you, but I wanted to show you how Julie's Picks came in case you were interested in actually subscribing to it. So yeah, there's quite a few in here. Don't mind my band-aid. I had a sewing accident today and I sewed right into my finger. I don't know how that happens, but I'm sure it happens to everybody. So let me go ahead and take off these swatches and I'll be right back to review them for you. Okay, I am back. Just a couple of things about Julie's Picks. When you subscribe, you get premium member status automatically, and so that means you're eligible for special offers. And also, Julie's Pick members get the first pick of new arrivals on fabric. So those are just a couple of benefits to subscribing, and I think it's $50 a year in case you're interested in subscribing to the Swatch Club. Okay, let's get started here. So she says in here that there aren't a ton of knits and it's mostly cotton prints. And we'll see what we've got here. So yeah, it's just paper stapled together, so it's a little bit tricky here. So I hope I've got them in the right order. I tried to keep them in the same stack. So the first one is a wispy floral print wall, and it's this one. Sorry, this band-aid is obnoxious. Okay. So this is really pretty. It's $7.99 a yard and it's 100% cotton. Buttercream, dark slate, blue, plum multi. Very pretty. Next, we've got a small plaid shirting. It's also 100% cotton. It's $6.99 a yard. Goldenrod, plum, black, buttercream, and sky blue. Next, we have a wispy dots print wall. 100% cotton, $7.99 a yard. And next up is artistic wispy floral print wall. So it's the same title as the first one, but looks a bit different in colors. 100% cotton, also $7.99 a yard. And then we've got tiny floral twill challis, and this is actually, it says from Marc Jacobs. So you can see it's a little bit sheer. Go back. See better. This is 100% wool, and it's $19.99 a yard. But remember, 100% wool, Marc Jacobs, it's really cute. This is dry clean, it's wool. Okay. So that was the Flower Child collection. Now we're going to move on to what is called the Italian Couture collection. Sounds like that's my jam here. So this one is a knit, and it is imported from Italy. It's a 92% rayon, 8% lycra, $9.99 a yard, and it's cream and black. Super pretty. It feels really soft and good quality. Those Italians know what they're doing. Okay, and now we've got a twill weave of wall. This is from Halston. It is a bit sheer. So as you know, walls are, they can be sheer. They're lightweight, very lightweight. This is 100% rayon, and it's $5.99 a yard. Next we've got a polka dot print on floral stretch lace. It's probably getting in the way. And this is nylon and lycra, $5.99 a yard. And we've got a diamond weave Dobby Voile, all is from Halston. It's 30% nylon, 70% modal, $5.99 a yard. It is sheer, of course. It's really pretty though. I could see like doing a sleeves with this, short or long. That would be really pretty. I like sheer sleeves. I think they're fun. I gotta put that aside because I might order some. Ooh, this is pretty. This is an abstract print challis. This is gorgeous. $9.99 a yard, and it's 100% rayon. I really like this. This would be a beautiful dress in the summer. Gorgeous, gorgeous, like a maxi dress. I can see a maxi dress. I can see a wrap dress. This is very versatile and it's very pretty. I love blues. So, okay. I'm putting aside these two in my little pile. Like, I always say this on every video, like, I need more fabric, but I think we all say that, and we continue to buy. Alright, so we've got Maydays collection. This next one is a floral print linen blend. It's $8.99 a yard. It has some rayon in it, so it's linen and rayon. Then we've got a solid linen. It's a green color. It's called Spring Green. Looks a little pistachio in my mind, or very light lime color. 100% linen, $9.99 a yard. Then we've got a plaid shirting coming up. 100% cotton. No. Well, I'm skipping with the eyelet, but that's okay. We'll go back up. So this is a plaid shirting. It's 100% cotton. $6.99 a yard. And here's the eyelet. Really pretty. Nice big eyelets, actually. 100% cotton. $9.99 a yard. Then we've got a dusty blue. It's a pinwheel shirtwaist corduroy. This is a very pretty color. It's almost periwinkle to me. I don't think it's dusty. To me, it's more sky blue with a tinge of periwinkle. It's 100% cotton, $7.99 a yard. It is super soft, and it's a pinwheel corduroy, so it's very tiny little corduroys. Really pretty, and I can see making a little jacket, so when it gets chilly on the spring nights, put on a little jacket. So we've got Pretty Pastels collection. Next, and the first one is a medallion a medallion paisley stretch poplin shirting. So this is 97% cotton, 3% lycra, so it should be some, there's some stretch this way. It's $7.99 a yard. It's nice and sturdy, so you'd want something more structured probably. And we've got a striped knit jersey. It's horizontal stripes. It's 95% rayon, 5% lycra, $5.99 a yard. Then we've got an airbrushed floral print peach skin. This says a New York designer. It's 100% polyester, $3.99 a yard. It is really soft. I'm a big fan of peach skin, so definitely check that out. If you like peach skin and you're looking for a floral print, that's a nice one. Here we've got a tropical floral print jersey, $5.99 a yard. It's 93% rayon, 7% lycra, so we've got some good stretch there. And then we have a lace knit in peach. It's polyester and lycra, $4.99 a yard. It's very pretty, actually. Doesn't say anything about any other colors, but probably, I'm guessing, not. Okay, the next one is Prints with Pizzazz collection. We've got this guy here, which is a floral damask look crepe de chine, famous dress designer, it says. It's really pretty. 100% polyester, and this is Julie's special at $2.99 a yard. Okay, that's awesome. $2.99 a yard. So we've got the hammered crinkle crepe. It's also a famous dress designer. It's 100% polyester. The color is really nice. They call it grass green. It's a great summer color, spring or summer. It's a Julie's Pics special, so it's only $2.99 a yard. It's a really nice one. And next we have a stylized octagons print crinkle challis. Is that what that is? Really? I don't know. Feel like that's a challis here. I think something's going on here. We're gonna put this back. This looks like the bottom one. This is a stretch poplin, so we'll figure out where the other guy went here in a minute. So this is 97% cotton, 3% lycra, $7.99 a yard for something structured. Let's see what this next one is. This one is well, I'm trying to figure out which one is which. So we have a floral print double knit. That would be this one. And this is mauve, tan, brown, white, and black. It's $5.99 a yard. Polyester lycra. See there? So this one is the crinkle challis, hammered crinkle crepe. No. Sorry. Yeah, crinkle challis. So it's called stylized octagon. So I see it now. So there's this octagon here. And there's little designs in it. So it'd be nice to see what this looks like in a full print. This is 100% rayon and it's $5.99 a yard. And the last collection here, we're going to start with a damask weave crepe challis. And this is imported from Italy. It is 100% wool. The color is red pepper. It's $19.99 a yard. It's a really pretty, fiery, orangey red. Get a look at that. Focus. And that way. And next we've got a striped jersey, so it's another horizontal. It is navy and red. It's 100% cotton, $6.99 a yard, and this is cute for 4th of July. Think of what you can make with that. Got a large peonies Liverpool double knit. So this is mostly red, white, and it's got some gray and navy. It'd be good to go online and see where that placement of the navy is. I see a little corner there. But it looks really pretty. It is $5.99 a yard, and it is polyester and lycra. And next we've got it's called Sketchy Floral Print Voile in red, orange, pink, black, and white. $5.99 a yard, and it is, $7.99 a yard, and it's 100% polyester cotton. I'm so sorry, I'm messing up my words today. This is really pretty. Actually, very summery. And the last one is a stretch denim sateen imported from Japan. It is a deep red color. And it is 97% cotton, 3% lycra, $7.99 a yard. So there's some stretch there. Not so much on that side. So you can kind of see the little white bits in there. So yeah, I mean, this is my first video on the Julie's Pics. So far, I like the swatches, and I mean, if you got me ordering some fabric, then you know I really like it. So I hope that you like to see Julie's Pics added to my Swatch Watch collection of videos. I've got Minerva fabrics also I'm going to be doing, so that means I've got what? I've got Vogue, Mood, Julie's picks from Fabric Mart, and now I'm going to be doing Minerva Crafts swatch clubs. So I really hope that you enjoy these swatch videos. If you do, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments so I know to keep doing them. But thanks for watching, everyone.